Hi there, this is Advocate Prashant. I welcome you to our channel on legal awareness. In this apartment law awareness series, I am going to inform you by means of this video with respect to the voting right of the apartment owners in apartment owner election. So this is one of the very contentious issue, that whether the first owner has the right to vote or the second owner has the right to vote. So first of all, let me clear that there is no first owner or second owner if there is a property in the joint name of two or more owners. All the person who have their name as owners in the sale deed or the sublease deed, they are the co-owners and they have equal rights in the property. And by recognizing this law only, or by going by this jurisprudence, that when there is a property which is in joint name of two or more owners, then all are co-owners and all have equal rights. So going by this principle of law only, the model bylaws have been framed, specifically clause 5 of the model bylaws or the bylaw 5, which says that the person having the first name in the share certificate will only have the right to vote. So this means that there is a separate document, that is a share certificate, which is required to be issued to each and every apartment once they take the membership of the apartment owner association. And in such share certificate, the joint owners have the right to give preference to any of the co-owners mentioned in the sublease deed or the sale deed, giving preference to any of the co-owners that their name may be mentioned at the first place. So let us say that A, B, C are the co-owners of an apartment, and they are now filling up the application form for the apartment owner association. In that, there should be an option in the application form, there should be an option that amongst A, B, C, whose name the co-owners want to be at the top in the share certificate, and whosoever name will be at the top in the share certificate, that person will be given the right to vote and contest in the election. However, what is happening across the Uttar Pradesh, that the share certificates are not issued by the apartment owner associations, and it is not also being implemented by the registrars of the societies. So if in case there is any confusion in your society or in your election of the apartment owner association, then please make sure that when you are taking the application form or taking the membership fee, please do assure that against such application form you issue a share certificate to such apartment, where at the will of the co-owners as per the sale deed or the lease deed, at their will you mention name of any of the co-owner at the first place as per the will of the co-owners. Once the share certificate is issued, then the person having the first name in the share certificate, irrespective of at what serial number his name was there in the lease deed, sublease deed or the sale deed, the person having the first name in the share certificate will have the right to vote. Please don't confuse this bylaw 5 with the sale deed or the lease deed. It is a separate document which has to be issued. So this is all with respect to voting right of an apartment owner under the Uttar Pradesh Apartment Act and its bylaws. Please do like the video and subscribe to our channel if in case this video anyhow helps you. Thank you for staying with me.